Welcome to Wings of Fire Dreams. Today we are going to see the most expected questions from the topic Natural Calamity in India. First question: which of the following is not part of geological disaster? Option A: volcanoes. Option B: earthquakes. Option C: tsunami. Option D: sea surge. Answer: Option D: sea surge. Second question: what is the rank of India in the world for natural disasters after China as per UNISDR? Option A: third. Option B: second. Option C: seventh. Option D: eighth. Answer: Option B: second. Third question: what is the reason for volcanic eruption? Option A: movement and splitting of the major and minor plates of the earth. Option B: origin of magma because of lowering of melting point inside the earth caused by reduction in the pressure due to the splitting of plates and their movements in opposite directions. Option C: only A. Option D: both A and B. Answer: Option D: both A and B. Fourth question: which of the following types of volcanic eruptions associated with lacroix? Option A: Hawaii eruption. Option B: Strombolian eruption. Option C: Vulcanian. Option D: all of the above. Answer: Option D: all of the above. Fifth question: the volcanic eruption in Iceland falls under which volcanic belt in the world? Option A: belts of convergent bodies. Option B: divergent plate boundaries. Option C: hotspots. Option D: none of the above. Answer: Option B: divergent plate boundaries. Sixth question: a geophysicist who studies earthquakes and the mechanical characteristics of the earth is called? Option A: seismologist. Option B: geologist. Option C: geographer. Option D: archaeologist. Answer: Option A: seismologist. Seventh question: consider the following statements is or related to the strategy to combat earthquake disasters. First point: establishing earthquake monitoring centers for regular monitoring and fast dissemination of information among the people in the vulnerable areas. Second point: modifying the house types and building designs in the vulnerable areas and discouraging contribution of high-rise buildings, large industrial establishments and big urban centers in such areas. Option A: only first point. Option B: only second point. Option C: both 1 and 2. Option D: neither 1 nor 2. Answer: Option C: both 1 and 2. Eighth question: what causes tsunami? Option A: sudden vertical movement of the earth. Option B: convergence of destructive plates in the ocean floor. Option C: explosive volcanic eruptions in the seas or ocean. Option D: all of the above. Answer: Option D: all of the above. Eighth question: in 1923, a massive earthquake struck Tokyo, killing 99,000 people. The quake, however, was not directly responsible for most of the deaths. What was? Option A: a huge tsunami in the wake of the quake. Option B: a monsoon that blew in immediately afterwards. Option C: severe aftershocks. Option D: firestorms immediately after the quake. Answer: Option D: firestorms immediately after the quake. 10th question: consider the following statements is or related to characteristics of tsunami waves. First point: Tsunamis are high-energy sea waves caused mainly by the deep-focused earthquakes of high magnitude. Second point, preparing a vulnerability map of the country and dissemination of vulnerability risk information among the people. Code Option A only 1, Option B only 2, Option C both 1 and 2, Option D neither 1 nor 2. Answer Option C both 1 and 2. 11th question. Consider the following statement is related to the remedial steps to reduce the risk of life and properties by landslides. First point, mapping of landslides prone areas, 7 construction of houses, felling of trees and grazing in landslide prone areas should be prohibited or restricted. Second point, afforestation in the vulnerable areas is an effective way of durable landslides control. Code Option A only 1, Option B only 2, Option C both 1 and 2, D neither 1 nor 2. Answer Option C both 1 and 2. 12th question. Where did the worst quake disaster in terms of death and destruction ever recorded take place? Option A San Francisco, California. Option B Anchorage, Alaska. Option C Managua, Nicaragua. Option D Senchi Province, China. Answer Option D Senchi Province, China. 13th question. Tsunamis can crest at more than how many feet? Option A 1700, Option B 400, Option C 200, Option D 500. Answer Option C 200. 14th question. Where did the largest known tsunami takes place? Option A Ishigaki Shima in the Ryukyu Island chain. Option D Manila, Philippines. Option C Honolulu, Hawaii. Option D Kobe, Japan. Answer Option A Ishigaki Shima in the Ryukyu Island chain. 15th question. Which of these caused the highest number of deaths? Option A 1918 influenza pandemic. Option B 1347 to 1351 bubonic plague, Black Death. Option C 1969 to 1971 famine in northern China. Option D 1931 flood, Yellow River, China. Answer Option B 1347 to 1351 bubonic plague, Black Death. 16th question. Who was the first person to name hurricanes? Option A Clemente Alvarez. Option B Charles F. Richter. Option C Giuseppe Mercalli. Option D John Harrison. Answer Option A Clement Alvarez. 17th question. What was the name of the volcano which erupted in 1783 in Ireland, killing 1 in 5 of the island's inhabitants and opening up a fissure 18 miles long? Option A Lucky. Option B Lalandoris. Option C Loki. Option D Raker. Answer Option A Lucky. 18th question. What was the name of the city which was completely destroyed by Mount Pelee in Martinique when it was erupted on May 8, 1902? Option A Saint Pierre. Option B Fort Louis. Option C Fort de France. Option D Plymouth. Answer Option A Saint Pierre. 19th question. The explosion of which of the following volcanoes in 1669 caused a local war? Option A Mount Vesuvius. Option B Krakatoa. Option C Mount Esso. Option D Mount Etna. Answer Option D Mount Etna. 20th question. An earthquake with epicenter was 100 miles away from Anchorage, Alaska buckled and cracked the sidewalks of that city in 1964 and made the land rise and fall visibly over an area estimated at 80,000 square miles. The resulting tsunamis destroyed sections of Valdez, Alaska and Crescent City, California as well. On which of the following holidays did the earthquake occur? Option A, Good Friday. Option B, New Year's Eve. Option C, Halloween. Option D, Independence Day. Answer: Option A, Good Friday. If you like our videos, please press the like icon, share it to your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you.